Alright, so let's talk about the easiest way to make money online for beginners in 2024. Because this could be big. Not only as a way to make a lot of money, but also in terms of changing your life. Even the idea of making $100/day from the comfort of your home seems a bit far-fetched. It's more achievable now than ever before. Imagine earning from your passions, leveraging platforms you use daily, and turning your skills into a steady income. From affiliate marketing to selling digital products and mastering SEO to the power of networking. These aren't just buzzwords, they're real strategies that people like you are using to build significant wealth online. My plan to guide you through this journey and eventually help you become a success story in the next 1 year is about to unfold. And here's how you can use this information to kickstart your journey, make money, and possibly shape the future of digital entrepreneurship. With that said, sit back, relax, close your eyes, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Niche selection for online business. Choosing the right niche is like picking the perfect outfit for a marathon. It needs to fit well and make you feel confident throughout the race. The ideal niche aligns with your passions and expertise while having a clear audience eager to engage and purchase. It's the sweet spot where your interests meet market demand, setting the stage for your online business. To find your niche, think about what you love doing, problems you can solve, and if people are searching for solutions in that area. It's about being specific enough to stand out, but broad enough to attract a substantial audience. Affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing is akin to being a highly trusted advisor who gets a commission for recommending products. It's about finding products you genuinely love, connecting those products with your audience, and earning a piece of the profit for each sale made through your referral. This passive income stream requires strategic selection of affiliate programs and an understanding of your audience's needs. By focusing on providing value and building trust, you can turn recommendations into a lucrative part of your online business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from authenticity and patience. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products offer a unique opportunity to package your knowledge or creativity into something that can be sold around the clock. From ebooks and online courses to graphic designs and software, the potential is limitless. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability and the low overhead costs. You create once and sell infinitely, reaching customers worldwide. To succeed, focus on quality, solving specific problems, and understanding what makes your offerings unique. Marketing your products effectively can turn your digital goods into a powerhouse of passive income. Freelancing and finding your first client. Freelancing is your gateway to monetizing your skills directly. It's about turning your talents into services that solve specific problems for clients. The key to success lies in understanding your value, effectively communicating it, and delivering quality work. To find your first client, start by building a strong portfolio that showcases your best work. Network both online and offline, and consider offering your services at a competitive rate to get your foot in the door. Your first client is often the hardest to obtain, but with persistence and excellence in your craft, it becomes the stepping stone to a thriving freelance career. And here's where things get interesting. If you found these foundational strategies compelling, just wait until we dive into leveraging social media, SEO, and building an email list. These tools can significantly amplify your online presence and take your earnings to the next level. Amplifying your reach. Using social media for business growth. Social media isn't just for sharing memes and keeping up with friends. It's a powerhouse for business growth. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer unparalleled access to potential customers. The key is to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and leverage social media ads to boost your visibility. Think of social media as a cocktail party. Be the one who provides interesting stories, content, listens more than they speak, engagement, and knows exactly whom to talk to, targeted advertising. SEO tips for beginners. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your secret weapon for being found online. It's all about optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for your audience to find you. Start with keyword research to understand what your audience is searching for, then optimize your website's titles, descriptions, and content to match these terms. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent effort and quality content tailored to your audience's needs can dramatically increase your visibility and traffic over time. The importance of building an email list. An email list is like a golden ticket in the world of online marketing. It's a direct line to your audience, allowing you to communicate, build relationships, and sell without the noise of social media. Start building your list from day one by offering something of value in exchange for email signups, like a free ebook, webinar, or discount code. Then nurture your list with regular updates, valuable insights, and exclusive offers. An engaged email list can become your most reliable source of traffic and sales. How to use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. Online marketplaces and platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and eBay are gateways to millions of potential customers. Whether you're selling physical goods, digital products, or anything in between, these platforms provide the infrastructure to reach a vast audience quickly. Each platform has its strengths, so choose one that aligns with your products and business goals. Remember, success on these platforms involves understanding their unique algorithms, optimizing your listings, and providing excellent customer service. And here's where things take a step further. If leveraging social media and mastering SEO sounds exciting, wait until we explore content creation for YouTube or blogging, and why investing in online courses or resources can be a game changer for your online business. Scaling and optimizing. Content creation tips for YouTube or blogging. Content creation is the heart of any successful online strategy. For YouTube or blogging, the key is to produce valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Start by understanding what your audience is searching for, then create content that answers their questions or solves their problems. Consistency is crucial. Set a schedule and stick to it. Use engaging titles, compelling thumbnails, and clear calls to action to increase your visibility and subscriber count. Remember, quality over quantity will help you build a loyal following. Investment in online courses or resources. Investing in your education is one of the smartest moves you can make. Online courses, webinars, and resources can fast-track your success by teaching you the strategies that successful entrepreneurs use. But choose wisely. Look for courses with excellent reviews and proven results. This investment in knowledge not only sharpens your skills, but also keeps you updated on the latest trends and techniques in the ever-evolving online world. Time management and productivity tips. Time management and productivity are the backbones of any successful online business. With so many distractions and tasks vying for your attention, it's crucial to use your time wisely. Implement techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to focus on tasks. Use tools like Trello or Asana to organize your projects and deadlines. Remember, being busy doesn't always mean being productive. Prioritize your tasks based on their impact on your business goals. The power of networking and community. Finally, never underestimate the power of networking and building a community. Connecting with other entrepreneurs and potential customers can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Attend webinars, join online forums, and participate in social media groups related to your niche. Share your knowledge, ask questions, and offer help. Building a supportive community around your brand not only enhances your credibility, but also leads to meaningful partnerships and growth. Remember, the journey to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Persistence, learning, and adaptation are your best tools for success. Take the challenge, apply these strategies, and start building your path to $100/day. Subscribe for more tips, and click here to watch the next video. Click here to watch more.